Imagine this. You're sitting at home, sipping your favorite coffee, and with just a few clicks, you've written content that could change a business's entire marketing game. That's what copywriting for websites is all about. Writing persuasive, compelling content that turns visitors into customers. Today, I'm going to show you how to start earning money by becoming a copywriter for websites. But here's the thing. Getting started can be challenging. And finding your first client? Even more so. But once you crack the code, you'll be able to turn your passion for writing into a profitable career. Stick around till the end, because I'll share how you can scale your copywriting business and earn a full-time income. Are you ready to learn the art of persuasive writing? Let's dive in. So, what exactly is copywriting for websites? Simply put, it's writing content for websites with the goal of getting visitors to take action. This could be anything from signing up for a newsletter to making a purchase, whether it's crafting attention-grabbing headlines, persuasive product descriptions, or engaging landing pages. Copywriting plays a crucial role in turning a website into a conversion machine. And the best part is, you don't need to be a marketing expert to get started. All you need is a passion for writing and an understanding of how words can persuade. Step 1. Why choose copywriting for websites? Why copywriting? Well, websites are the backbone of most businesses today, and they need well-written, persuasive content to succeed. Businesses are always on the lookout for skilled copywriters who can help them convert traffic into sales. Think about it. Every time you visit a website and find yourself reading a product description or a blog post, that's copywriting in action. Companies hire copywriters to ensure that their content is not just informative, but also compelling enough to drive results. As a copywriter, you have the opportunity to work with diverse industries, from tech startups to e-commerce brands. And the best part, it's a flexible, remote job. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent or someone looking to work from anywhere, copywriting gives you that freedom. Step 2. Building your skills as a copywriter. Before you start writing for websites, it's important to build your copywriting skills. And don't worry, you don't have to go back to school or spend years learning. With the right tools and practice, you can become a skilled copywriter in no time. There are plenty of free and affordable resources to help you get started. You can take online courses, read copywriting books, or follow blogs that provide tips and tricks. But the most important thing is to practice, practice, practice. Start by writing your own sample pieces, such as product descriptions or homepage copy. The more you write, the better you'll become. Step 3. Understanding the basics of persuasive writing. Copywriting isn't just about writing, it's about persuasion. You need to understand the psychology behind why people buy and what motivates them to take action. Let's break down some key techniques you'll use in your copy. 1. AIDA, attention, interest, desire, action. This is the classic formula used in persuasive writing. First, you grab attention, then spark interest, create desire, and finally, prompt action. 2. PASS, problem, agitate, solve. Identify a problem your audience is facing. Agitate that problem by showing the consequences, and then provide a solution. 3. FAB, features, advantages, benefits. Show the features of a product, explain how they benefit the customer, and why that advantage is important. Mastering these techniques will set you apart from other writers. It's the secret sauce to converting casual visitors into loyal customers. Step 4. Finding your first copywriting client. Now that you've built your skills, it's time to find your first copywriting client. The internet is full of platforms where businesses look for writers, such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. But here's the thing. Getting your first gig is often the hardest part. Start by creating a killer profile on these platforms. Make sure your profile highlights your skills, your niche, and why you're the perfect fit for the job. Don't be afraid to start small. Take on smaller projects at first to build up your portfolio. Another great way to find clients is by networking on LinkedIn or directly reaching out to companies in your niche. Offer your copywriting services, show them your portfolio, and explain how your writing can help boost their website's performance. Step 5. Setting your rates and managing client expectations. Once you start landing clients, it's time to discuss your rates. As a beginner, you might feel tempted to set low rates, but remember, your time and expertise are valuable. Rates vary depending on the complexity of the project and your experience. As a beginner, you might charge $50 to $100 per project, but as you gain more experience, you can increase your rates to $300 or more per page. Also, make sure you set clear expectations with your clients. Discuss deadlines, revisions, and any other requirements upfront to avoid confusion later. Step 6. Writing your first website copy. Now let's get into the actual writing. Whether it's homepage content, about us pages, or product descriptions, every type of website copy follows a basic structure. Let's start with the homepage copy. Your homepage needs to grab the visitor's attention instantly. Write a headline that makes them want to learn more. Follow it with a subheadline that explains what your business offers and why it's unique. Then, add a call to action such as learn more, get started, or shop now. Make sure your tone is aligned with the brand's voice. Whether it's formal or casual, your writing should reflect the personality of the business. Step 7. Expanding your copywriting business. As you gain experience, you'll want to scale your business. This means finding higher-paying clients, diversifying your services, and potentially hiring other writers to help with larger projects. You can also diversify your services. Offer additional services like SEO copywriting, email marketing campaigns, or social media content creation. By diversifying, you'll increase your income and attract more clients. And there you have it, your roadmap to earning money through copywriting for websites. With the right skills, strategies, and a little patience, you can turn your passion for writing into a profitable career. But remember, this is just the beginning. Every successful copywriter has had to put in the work, learn from their mistakes, and continuously improve their craft. I hope this video has given you the confidence to take the first step towards becoming a freelance copywriter. Now, I know you're probably wondering, what are other ways to earn money online? Well, don't worry, I've got you covered. If you're ready to explore more ways to earn money online, click the video link on your screen right now. In that video, we'll dive into even more practical ideas to help you build multiple streams of income. You'll learn about side hustles, online businesses, and other income-generating opportunities that you can start today.